Hi, this video I'm about to share with you is all about a 3-motors control hub, which consists of an Arduino UNO and a DC motors driver shield, used as microcontrollers to produce random speed and direction of rotation based on our customized code, instead of manual potentiometers and switches. This is Arduino UNO Rev3 to be used as our main microcontroller and drive our 3 DC motors randomly using our motor driver shield. This one is a motor driver shield for Arduino UNO Omega, to drive 4 DC motors that I mentioned before. This time I will only use 3 DC motors based on my laser project setup. That's our basic setup at the moment, which I think is fundamental for this project. Another part like this rocker switch has an important role on the system to make it work, and a secure switch for the laser project itself. Without this piece you cannot run the unit just like that. This data cable that we usually connect to Arduino has also an important role in the control hub itself. Without this, you cannot power the hub. We can use a mobile phone 5V charger to power this up. You can also upload and test the program directly to the controller without any hassle. Even this is experimental. The idea I am presenting here can be plausible for some other application. The hub is now ready to receive the Arduino code from your PC, and run it like plug and play using this data cable. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get an update about our projects.